Hello, we are in Algebra 2 and we are doing the last problem and a problem set where we're practicing how to find x when there's a power or an exponent included in the problem, specifically not a squared. But if you take a look at this problem, you'll see there's to the fourth power. So this is a power function and we are just trying to find x. So here we go. And it's pretty impressive. Look where we're at. We're definitely high up in the math levels here. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to undo it. And a lot of times people are really into PEMDAS, but when you're undoing, just remember that the real key is SADMEP. And what does SADMEP have to do with PEMDAS? That's right, it's PEMDAS backwards. So this is saved for when we are undoing. All right, so there's multiple things that are happening in this equation. Quick question for you. It says 6 parentheses. Does that mean 6 plus, 6 minus, 6 times, or 6 divided? Yep, you're right. It should be 6 times. All right, so that's multiplying by 6. I'm going to make a little mental list here of all the things that are happening to x. So there's a multiplying by 6. And I'm just reading left to right. There's also an add 7. There's also a take it to the fourth power. And then there's also a minus 5. So if our goal is to try to figure out what x equals, and there's a lot of what I like to call bodyguards or protections around that x, which one are we going to undo first based on SADMEP? Are we going to undo times 6 plus 7, the fourth power, or minus 5? The correct answer is that we're going to take care of subtraction and addition first. And so that is the minus 5. So that's what we're going to take care of first. How do you undo a minus 5? Well, hopefully you said that you add 5. So we're going to add 5 to both sides. Because whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. I can't possibly be the only math teacher that's ever said that to you. All right. All of this is going to stay the same. So we still have 6 times the quantity x plus 7. If you've ever wondered how to say that, that's how you say it, times the quantity x plus 7 to the fourth power. And what is 694 plus 5? Hopefully you said it was 699. All right, so we have taken care of subtracting and adding. Now we have to decide, are we going to undo this times 6 in front? Are we going to undo the plus 7? Or are we going to undo taking it to the fourth power? I'm going to just, oops, bring that in a little bit here. Okay. The correct answer is that we are going to, again, look at SADMEP. We've taken care of subtracting and adding. Now we're going to take care of dividing and multiplying. And that's that 6 right there. So our second thing we're going to take care of is the times 6. How do you undo times 6? Hopefully you said divided by 6. So we're going to divide both sides by 6. That's going to get rid of this, and we're left with the quantity x plus 7 to the fourth power. And then a quick calculator trick there. What is 699 divided by 6? And it is okay to get a decimal, 116.5. We are in Algebra 2. We're in the highest level of math that you need to do in order to graduate from high school. So it should be challenging. All right. Then we have two things left. We have the plus 7 and we have to the fourth power. We've taken care of dividing and multiplying. Now all we have left is exponents and parentheses. So what are you going to undo first, the plus 7 or to the fourth power? The correct answer is you're going to take care of to the fourth power because that's an exponent. So this is the newest topic. You're going to wrap this up with parentheses. And what power are we going to take the fourth power to make it go away, to undo it? What is the opposite of the fourth power? The correct answer is the 1/4 power. 4 and 1/4 are called what? That's right, reciprocals. All right, so that's going to neutralize that. That's going to take care of this fourth power. And you're going to enter into your calculator 116.5. And then you're going to have to find that exponent button. Mine is like an X with a little y. And then you're going to type 1 divided by 4, and then close the parentheses back up. So what is 116.5 to the 1/4 power? Hoping I got my math right. I got X plus 7. And then when I put that little bugger in my calculator, I got 3.285.3, and it just keeps going. 4.8. There we call it irrational. Okay, so I'm gonna write that, and then we're gonna take a second to decide. If we go to 2 decimals, what will that round to? Will it round to 3.28 or 3.29? The correct answer is 3.29. Okay, so we have 3.29. And we're one step away from the secret identity of x. You'll notice that once we did that to the fourth power, I automatically dropped the parenthesis signs on there. Now this is completely bare and we can get to it. How do you, and this is the fourth thing we'll take care of. So how do you undo a plus 7? That's right, we subtract 7. Okay. And your last question is, what is 3.29 minus 7? And hopefully you got negative 3.71. Now, as I'm thinking about it, I'm thinking about, oh, and that should be the right answer. All right, that was a lot, but we are really high up in the mathematics now, so we can find X in some pretty serious situations. Thanks for following along and giving that one a shot.